What's up, YouTube? With J Money Kendall back in the video. I told y'all I'll be back with her little drop. Her little just dropped like 4 days ago. Mom, looking at fat. She's skinny now. That's not what fatness. Cold boy right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. Come here, Kobe. Kobe, come here. Take that little motherfucker. I already did. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. I did not call your name. Your name is not Kobe. Finna give y'all a sneak peek of the puppies. I'll be right back. J Money Kendall just got back half, give y'all a sneak peek of her puppies. Only give y'all a sneak peek, that's it. I'll be showing y'all the full, give y'all a full video in 2 weeks, 2 more weeks.